Over the past few years, we've had a recurring issue with our Trotec Speedy 400 lasers. We'll get an X-axis motor error. Sometimes this will happen before a job starts, but often it happens in the middle of a job. The laser head will either just stop, or even worse, just all of a sudden slam into the side of the laser like a runaway freight train. The issue is the X-axis motor. More specifically, it's the encoder wheel inside the motor housing that's the issue, not the actual motor. The wheel tells the laser where the head is along the X-axis at any given time, but if it gets dirty, its position can't be accurately read. In the past, Trotec support has suggested trying to blow some air into what looks like openings at the harness connection to try to dislodge any dust. This has never worked for us. I think it's because these are not really openings. We found that the only way to solve this problem is to remove the housing to expose the encoder wheel. This isn't complicated. You just remove 2 screws and the housing comes right off. It's hard to see here, but this wheel is really dirty. You can just blow it off and see if that's enough to get it working. In our case, this didn't fix the issue and the wheel needed a better cleaning. The encoder wheel is easy enough to remove by just loosening the set screw. The reader itself will also come off with the wheel. We use alcohol prep pads to clean the wheels. You want to use very light pressure and try not to scratch the encoder wheel. Honestly, this should be your last resort if blowing it off doesn't work. But at this point, it pretty much doesn't matter as the laser is dead in the water and you'd be waiting on a new X-axis motor anyway, so you've pretty much got nothing to lose. This last step is optional, but we think this is critical. These motors are seriously flawed by not having the encoder wheel and reader housing sealed. The long-term fix for this is to seal it yourself. I use some rubber cement to seal around the housing. Obviously you can use a real sealant, but this is what we had lying around, and it's not a permanent solution in case we need to open this up again.